cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Today, my good people, today I am going to make for you easy garlic ranch chicken wings. How many of y'all love chicken wings? Well, they're kind of hard to find right about now. And when you do find them, they cost so much. But I got lucky and I found a small package just for me. Now, this is what I'm going to be using right here. Hidden Valley Ranch. Hidden Valley Ranch, I'm telling you, I'm talking about the powder kind. I'm not talking about the one in the bottle, so don't be trying to use the one in the bottle, people. The one in the package. You can buy them individually, or you can buy them in a like 3 to a pack, or 5 to a pack, or whatever, 6. But anyway, this is great on chicken. Not just chicken wings. It's great on chicken legs, chicken breast, chicken whatever. But I want you to pay attention to how I make the chicken wings. You're gonna love them. They're gonna be your all-time favorite. Oh yes it is. All right, with all of that being said, let's make these chicken wings. Here are all the ingredients that I will be using today. This is 4 tablespoons of margarine. You can use real butter if you had it, but I didn't have any, so I'm using margarine. It's okay sometimes in certain recipes. And I'm also using chicken wings, whole chicken wings. You can cut them up if you like to, cut them into those little parts, the little drummets or whatever you call them. You can do that. But whatever you do, make sure you wash this chicken. You wash this chicken very well and cut off all the parts you don't want. You see that right there? I don't want that. I don't want that. I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off. Moving right along. I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic powder on the chicken. I'm also gonna put it in the butter. Ooh wee. Onion powder, y'all. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use some pepper, and I'm gonna use some salt. Okay, just a little bit, not a whole lot. Y'all see that? Do you see what's in that salt? That is rice. Okay, I learned that from my mama and my grandmama. You put rice in there, so when you're sprinkling, it don't get stuck. And sometimes when salt stands up for a minute, you've had it in the jar for a long time, it start getting like stuck and sticking real. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Let me move on here. And also, I've already showed you the star of the show. No, it's not the chicken. It's this right here. Hidden Valley, the original ranch seasoning, salad dressing, and recipe mix. You can use any kind you want, okay? But I'm gonna tell you, this one is the best right here. It's the best. All right, let's get the groove in here. I forgot to tell y'all, I'm gonna put some Lawry seasoning in there too. Not a whole lot, but enough. I don't eat the little wing tips, people. I don't like them. But you can save this to make some chicken broth, okay? Put it in the water and boil it for your chicken broth. This is great. It's wonderful. We are going to pat them dry, people. Pat them dry. Okay, we want our seasoning to stick. All right, pat it dry. Now I have 12 wings because I had 6 chickens. So when I cut it in half, that made it what? That made it 12 people. Now you can double this recipe, triple this recipe, all you want, okay? All right, here we go. There's no specific order that you can start in, and you can put as much as you want on there, okay? That was onion powder. This is my garlic. All right, put some garlic on here. I'm gonna put my Lawry seasoning. Turn around. Okay, it's up to you. You can wear gloves if you like to. People don't like sticking their fingers inside a chicken because your guests don't like you sticking your finger in your food. But you know what though? This is just for me. So I don't care what nobody thinks, all right? I really don't. Okay, just a little salt. All right. You're gonna stick your hands in there. Ooh wee. Ooh Ooh-wee, yes indeed. Y'all see that? Now I'm telling you, this is better if you do it overnight. If you season it the night before and then bake it. Ooh, it's wonderful, y'all. But you know what? I usually put some oil on here. I'm not gonna do it, but I am going to put some non-stick cooking spray in my pan so it don't stick. All right, I don't want to put oil in here, you know, for the marinade, but because, you know, I'm already going to be adding the butter. All right, if you don't want to add salt, hey, that's up to you. All right, but do add as much garlic as you want. All right, I'm using canola oil no stick cooking spray. Right, shake it up a little bit. Make sure you get the bottom good. I'm also using a roasting pan. This is a small roasted pan. I love roasted pans, y'all. They just make food taste so good. Cook it with the top on it. It turns out great every time. Look, I don't even know how to talk today. Just put them in there, y'all. Any way you want. Ain't no particular way to put them inside, all right? You can use whatever type of pan you want, okay? You can use the one with the rack, the one without the rack. If you're not going to use a rack, make sure you spray. And sometimes you have to spray the rack. Sometimes you do. All right, it's ready. Put your oven on 350 degrees, y'all. And we're going to cook this for about, I say 35 minutes. Come back and look to see if it's roasted, all right? You want to make sure chicken is done. You don't want to get sick, okay? I'm not going to make you sick. You're going to make yourself sick if you don't cook it long enough. All right, in the oven we go. Ooh, that's hot. 350 degrees now. Remember that. I'm sorry. 375. I'm crazy, y'all. It's 375 that I cook this on. And I cook it on the middle rack. All right, 375. 375. 375. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, looking good, y'all. Looking good. I can turn them over. Now, you don't have to bake this. You can air fry it or you can deep fry this, okay? It's up to you. I'm going in here and flipping them over just a little bit, all right? Just a little bit. Come back here. You can't go nowhere. All right. All right, a few more minutes, y'all. Then I'm going to show you what I'm about to do. Ooh-wee. They're ready, y'all. They are ready. You see that? Do you see it? Woo! Now let's go to the next step. In a skillet, you're going to melt your butter or margarine completely. All right? This is a non-stick skillet saucepan. That's what you're going to want to use. You don't want to burn it. You're going to have your eye probably on about, medium high. All right? Don't burn the butter now. It's not going to taste right if you burn the butter. Now that you see it bubbling a little bit, turn my eye down a little bit. I don't want it too high. All right? You see it's not rapid. It's not rapid. Then I'm going to put this in here. This, all right? The ranch seasoning, Hidden Valley. I'm not going to put the whole thing, guys. Maybe about half of it. Half. Stir it around there. Roll Charlie around. Roll Charlie around. Roll him around. Do you see that goodness? Do you see the goodness? Do you see the goodness right there? All right, then I'm going to sprinkle, just a little bit of garlic powder in there. All right? Smell good, y'all. Man, this could be good on top of a steak or something. Woo! We're going to pour this over our chicken. Yes, we are. I found this recipe online, y'all, and it looked mighty good. Okay, I know I like ranch, so let's see. All right, here's the stuff. Now, it's up to you. Now, you don't have to pour all of this on here. You don't. You can probably just pour a little bit on here. Okay? Like, I'm not going to, oops. I said I wouldn't, but it fell in there anyway. All right. Then you're going to toss it around. Now, if you bold enough to stick your hand in there with that hot butter, go right ahead, okay? Other than that, you better wear some gloves or something, all right? Toss it around. I'm going to show y'all what it's going to look like. Looking good already. Look how delicious that looks. Man, I'm sure it's good, y'all. I'm sure it's good. I don't eat like this all the time, people. I don't eat like this all the time, okay? This is for the cooking show. All right? You ain't got to put the butter on there if you want to. You can probably just sprinkle the ranch dressing on there. You ain't got to put the butter. But you know the butter and the margarine just going to make it taste heavenly. All right. All right. Moderation, people. Moderation. All right, let's plate this puppy up. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. You can't tell me this ain't good. Only thing I wish I had done was air fry. Okay, but it's good baked, okay? People who's watching calories may not want to put that butter in there. But I'm telling you, the butter is great and it is wonderful. Let me taste this little piece right here. Look at that little piece. I'm glad I only added a little salt, y'all. Just a little bit. Okay, you may not want to add no salt for the people who don't really care about salt that much. But it's great. You don't need no salt. You don't. You really don't. Let me tell y'all. That's a great appetizer. I'm telling you, it's wonderful. But like I said though, watch out for the salt. Okay? And you can air fry it if you have an air fryer. If not, you can deep fry it, in grease. It's up to you. Or you can bake it like I did. It don't matter. Either way, y'all, it's gonna turn out great. Because what really helps is the garlic powder and the ranch dressing, the powdered ranch dressing. Man, that stuff is awesome. You can put that stuff almost in anything. I'm gonna see can I find some more recipes with that ranch dressing. If y'all have any recipes, ideas, put it on down in the comment section. If you want me to try your recipe, okay, put that down there in the comment section. Email cookingwithsandrafaye@gmail.com, okay? I'll try out your recipe. If you know it's wonderful, you shouldn't be scared. You shouldn't be scared. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do that for me, okay? I sure do appreciate it. And make sure that you come back next week to Cooking with Sandra Faye.